So that morning, Thomas headed to the mainland to take Lily home. He, Lily, his crew, and the Fat Controller were on the lookout for Diesel 10.
We've been going for ages. I need to refill on coal and water.
Alright, that's fine.
As Thomas filled up with water, he didn't notice Diesel 10 was approaching, until it was too late.
Oh, bother!
Oh no!
Cinders and ashes!
Just give me the brat and you won't get hurt, Steamy.
Never!
Damn it, kid! Where is your grandpa hiding?
What do you mean?
We won't tell you anything!
You really want to say no to me? I've got you trapped, Thomas.
I don't think so, Diesel 10. Whoa!
No!
Oh my goodness.
Okay, guys, just stay calm! Whoa!
That looks fun!
Yeah.
Wait! They're after us! Driver, speed me up! Full speed ahead!
Oh my goodness!
Yes, Pinchy!
Oh my goodness!
Cinders and ashes!
Can't you drive yourself, Thomas?
It's complicated!
Look out! Hoppers!
Oh no!
Are you okay, Benji? Get back here, you blue puffball! You can't outrun me forever, right, Benji?
The warning signs are there for us to see most of the time, but sometimes we take chances, ignore the danger signs. Fate can surprise you with no reason or rhyme. Make sure you learn your lesson, you'll know better next time.
Oh no! Trevor's at the junction up ahead.
Cinders and ashes!
Brake, Thomas!
No, we can't!
What?
Diesel 10 will catch up. We just gotta speed up and go right through him.
Okay.
What the? That you're doing, whatever you're doing is not what you're thinking.
Sorry, Trevor!
Oh! Darn blue steamy! Damn it, Splodge!
Oops.
Sorry.